Dear students, today we will discuss about potential energy of an electric dipole held in a uniform electric field. We know that when an electric dipole is placed in a uniform, it experiences a torque, and this torque has a tendency to align the dipole with electric field and given as tau equal to P sin theta. Simply, if we want to rotate this dipole against the applied torque, means if we want to rotate the dipole against this torque which has a tendency to align the dipole with field, then we have to do some extra amount of work in rotating the dipole, and this extra amount of work is stored in the form of energy which is termed as potential energy of dipole in a uniform electric field. If we define it, we can simply say as potential energy of an electric dipole is the energy possessed by the dipole by virtue of its position in the electric field. In order to derive the expression for potential energy, let this is an uniform electric field. Let an electric dipole forming with two charges minus q and plus q held in the electric field in such a way that its dipole moment vector p makes angle theta with the electric field. Then torque acting on this dipole will be given as tau equal to Pe sin थीटा. इस डेरिवेशन को पहले हम लोग डिराइव कर चुके हैं. tau equal to P sin थीटा. This torque tries to align the dipole with the field. मतलब इसकी टेंडेंसी होती है कि ये इस डाइपोल को इस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के पैरेलल बना दे. If we rotate the dipole against this torque, means ये अगर क्लॉकवाइज एक्ट कर रहा है तो हम इसको एंटी क्लॉकवाइज अगर रोटेट करते हैं तो some extra work has to be done in this process. If we rotate the dipole through a small angle d theta, if we rotate the dipole through a small angle d theta, then a small amount of work has to be done, and this small amount of work done will be equal to dw equal to tau d theta. Now total amount of work done in rotating the dipole from initial orientation to final orientation will be given as w equal to integration of dw equal to theta 1 to theta 2 tau d theta. Now w equal to Pe sin theta d theta from initial orientation theta 1 to final orientation theta 2. Now Pe बाहर हो गया. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ sin theta with d theta will be minus cos theta theta 1 to theta 2. Now w equal to minus Pe cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1, upper limit minus lower limit. This work done is stored in the form of potential energy of dipole, and this one is the required expression for potential energy of an electric dipole held in a uniform electric field. Some particular cases may be seen here easily as first, let initially dipole is aligned along the electric field, and B, rotate it through angle theta, then theta 1 equal to 0 and theta 2 equal to theta. When dipole is initially aligned along the electric field, that is theta 1 equal to 0, and we have to set it at angle theta, then theta 2 equal to theta. Now U equal to minus PE cos theta minus cos 0. U equal to minus PE cos theta minus 1. Case 2. If initially dipole is aligned at right angle with the field, that is, if dipole is initially at theta 1 equal to 90 degree and B, rotate it finally through theta 2 equal to theta, then U equal to minus PE cos theta 2 theta minus cos 90. U equal to minus PE cos theta, or minus P dot E, or U equal to E dot E with negative sign. Potential energy is a scalar term and measured in joule. This is the desired derivation or expression for potential energy in different cases.